Hey there, travel lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, welcome aboard. Today is Embarkation Day and we're kicking off a 7-night Caribbean cruise on the beautiful Norwegian Breakaway, sailing straight out of New Orleans. So grab a drink, get comfy, and come along as we eat, explore, and dance our way through the start of this epic girls' getaway. Cruise Day is finally here and we're so ready to go. We arrived at the New Orleans cruise terminal with suitcases in hand and that giddy excitement only cruise lovers truly understand. Check-in was smooth and quick, and after passing through security and heading up the escalator, we caught our first glimpses of our floating home through the glass. There she was, the Norwegian Breakaway, looking massive and magnificent. And just like that, we stepped onto the ship, officially aboard and officially on vacation. First things first, food. We were starving after the morning travel and check-in hustle, so instead of fighting the buffet crowds, we headed to the main dining room for lunch. We each started with soup, 2 roasted tomato, and 1 classic chicken noodle. We couldn't resist the hush puppies either, so we grabbed one order to share. Then came the mains. I ordered the turkey cottage pie, total comfort food. One friend had the Cajun chicken pasta, and the other went for a Philly cheesesteak with fries. But here's where things got exciting. I ordered strawberry gelato for dessert, but also cheekily asked about my all-time favorite, stracciatella. They said it was dinner only, but guess what? They surprised me with both. And yes, it was everything. Meanwhile, my friend dove into her creme caramel before I could even get a video. That's how good it was. After lunch, I split off to check out our stateroom and do a quick tour. We were in a midship balcony cabin on deck 9. Plenty of space, super clean, and that balcony view, yes please. I always recommend midship cabins for less motion, especially for first-time cruisers or anyone prone to seasickness. Plus, you can't beat having a private outdoor space to enjoy your morning coffee or late-night ocean breeze. Cabin tour done, it was time to meet back up for the sailaway party, and let me tell you, the vibes were on. Music pumping, people dancing, everyone with a drink in hand. This is when the real vacation energy hits. Of course, I had to get my go-to, a frozen mudslide. Creamy, chocolatey, and totally worth the sugar rush. We danced, sang along, people watched, and cheered as we left the port behind. The sun was shining, the drinks were flowing, and our girls' trip was officially in full swing. Later that evening, it was dinner time again. Tonight we chose the Manhattan room. Elegant vibes, live music sometimes, and a rotating menu that mixes classics with daily specials. For starters, we had French onion soup, crispy crab and cream cheese wontons, and a Caesar salad. Our mains were 2 steaks, one with a Greek salad and one with a baked potato, and then barbecue pork ribs served with corn on the cob, onion rings, pasta salad, and coleslaw. Needless to say, we were stuffed, so dessert was a no-go this time. Shocking, I know. We wrapped up night 1 with a comedy show, which had us all laughing way more than expected, always a good sign. And we caught some live music around the ship before calling it a night. Day 1 on the breakaway, a total win. Day 2 was our first full day at sea, and we were ready for it. We slept in, relaxed, and headed to the main dining room again for a lazy lunch. Appetizers were loaded potato soup and hummus with pepperonata. For mains, a chef salad paired with a burger, chicken flautas, and a queso tortilla bowl, basically a deconstructed nacho situation. Yum. Dessert, strawberry shortcake, light, fluffy, and the perfect sweet note to end on. After lunch, we just relaxed around the ship, so nothing to really show until dinner time. Dinner this night was one of our splurges, Teppanyaki. If you've never done this on a cruise, it's a must-try. You sit at a shared table with a hibachi grill, and the chef puts on a full-on cooking show right in front of you, flipping eggs, making volcano onions, all the classic moves. We started with miso soup and seaweed salad, then watched as he whipped up the fried rice, which was so good.
That's my first egg, all the way from Tina Turner.
Rolling on the river.
It's time to meet my friend. Her name is Anna. All the way from Amazon River. Anna, say hi. I can see in your eyes. I can see Okay, Anna, I'm sorry. Bye-bye.
That's great.
After that, you make your vegetable, follow with your main course.
I went with the New York steak and my plate was loaded. Every bite was cooked perfectly. By the end, we were absolutely full and skipped dessert again. Who even are we?
Who's the most important one?
And they've been arguing about it for centuries.
We've had it all. Who lasted longest was the strongest. The biggest sinner is Ob's the winner.
Who had the son takes number one. Who is most changed shall be first place.
The most inglorious is victorious. The winning contestant.
After dinner, it was time for a real treat. The main theater production of Six. If you haven't seen it, Six is a modern musical retelling of the 6 Wives of Henry VIII, and it is fantastic. I'd seen it once before on the Norwegian Bliss back in 2020 and was thrilled to catch it again before it left the Breakaway lineup to close. We ate, we drank, we danced, we were entertained, and we didn't even have to leave the ship. That's the magic of cruise life. It was the perfect mix of relaxation and fun, and we're just getting started. So that's it for day 1 and our first sea day aboard the Norwegian Breakaway. If you're still watching, thank you. And if you're liking the vibes so far, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Next up, we hit our first port, Cozumel, Mexico, and we're exploring the island in the most unique way, on trikes. Yep, motorized 3-wheeled fun with lots of beach stops, food, and a whole lot of laughter along the way. You do not want to miss it, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Until next time, happy cruising, happy travels, and remember, the best memories are made when you lean into the adventure. See you in Cozumel.